Hello everyone. I think most of you have this Logitech Anywhere MX mouse, and I think most of you have problems with button responding when you press and it doesn't work. You need to press more hardly. Today I will show you how to repair this problem. First of all, what you need to do is disassemble this mouse. To do that, you need to remove these parts. You will find screws here and here, and also is two screws in this side. You need to remove this tape. Under this tape is also two screws. Now you can easily open the mouse, and you will find buttons, one here and one here. This one is already removed to save the time, and now I will show you how to fix these buttons. Thing is that the buttons are silver coated, and oxygen did a bad job in this button, but it's very easy to repair this. First of all, we need to open this button. You need the squeezers. This is the two holders. This side, one. Camera poorly focusing. Okay. One is here. Another one is here. You need to simply open it. Okay, release it one side, and another one side. Be carefully, parts are very small, you can easily lose them. Problem is that these two parts loses a contact. This one and this one. You need to clean them. You can use a sharp paper, or you can use such a cleaner tool, which I use. You need to clean these small parts. I have it set at very low power. I don't want to damage it, so I simply clean these parts. First of all, this one, and then this one. Done. And now the most hard part is to assemble it back. It's very small parts. You need to be sure that it's working. Oh, already lose it. Okay, I will use squeezers. Okay, it's back in its place. I will bring it back this small plastic part. Do not put this cover in the wrong way. Here's a holder, and this part is smaller than this. So before putting it back, simply check. Okay, and double press with fingers. Press on this side. Now we check the button. You'll hear a clicking noise. It's working. Now what you need to do is to solder it back into the mouse. Assemble the back mouse. And you are done. This is working solution. I fixed the cellular mouses. I think this solution brings it back to life to a second year. After a year it may also. Silver can be created by oxygen, and you will need to do this repair once again. So thanks for watching.